Yes, guys. Welcome back to Isaac Magic Trading Community, and I hope you have a wonderful um, week. Last week we had some interesting trades and some mix-up. So I think we had a very wonderful trades that we were looking at. So right now, some of the trade went very nice, especially USD, JPY, and USD card. We took some few pips away, and it just making still correction. Okay, so now let's start today. We come a bit early. We are looking at some few major pairs this week and see that they should be very interesting money coming in. Just keep your eyes on the charts and the YouTube and the Telegram and Trading View, because there's going to be very amazing setups. You can check me on the Trading View as well. You can see from here that I have posted many setups in the Trading View. And Euro AUD, you can see from here that we had a very good downside that we were looking at. Yeah, it's now somewhere here. We can make a correction. You can just check on it and see what is going. You can look at subscribe to the Telegram group, to the Trading View. Click like. You can tell your friend Isaac 886. You can see that most setups have been posted there. So keep your eyes on those setups that I don't post in the Telegram group. Sometimes you don't see DJI, you don't see DAX, you don't see Aussie2. Some of these setups, I don't post it in the Telegram. I just go straight to TradingView to post it. And I mean, it's very interesting setup. It's doing very well. We have 200 viewers from 12th of February about UJ. So just check and follow us, and you can see another section that is two sections anyways, the same Trading View. One is English and one is other side. You can see the GBP card, the sell setup was posted here. We've got AUD card also. The buy setups is still cooking. It's already posted. And we have Euro GBP as well. The buy was posted, but we're still looking for. So if you are not in, just join it, and then let's see how everything goes. Okay. So you're welcome back to Isaac Magic Trading Community, and we're gonna start again from Aussie card. Okay. Now, if you look at the daily on the Aussie card, there is still a little bit move for this to come down to finish the correction. Then we are heading straight to the top. Okay. So look at it here now. We are almost about to finish the downside. It's not complete yet. Okay. So we can go to 4-hour time frame, and we are looking at this pair right now. We will be looking more onto the downside until we reach this section. We have to come down until we reach here. Okay, this is your impulse. This is A. This is your B. You're gonna get the C, and we come down here. Then we are going. This becomes a classic pattern inside. So we are looking at a pattern like that. To finish here, we'll finish. We come up a bit. We come down here. There we go. This is going to be our pattern for the Aussie card. Okay, so we run down a bit. We can make a correction here. We get this one as a pattern here. We reach here, and this also become a classic pattern for a move up, mixing and reaction setups. This is sometimes it becomes a bit complex. This is what we're gonna get. Then our bias will come back here again to the top. Okay, so yes, this is the first move up. Yes, you know that this is the first move up. This is your A, this is your B wave, and you're gonna get the C wave here. Okay, we are trading based on patterns, so we can do this, and we come down here and we go. All right, nice one. Keep an eye in the Aussie card. If you are not in the Slack and the Telegram group, try to join, because we update some setups there. Aussie Chief as well, we will be looking for correction. So we will come down, and then we are going. Okay, this is the first move. We can get something like that. So I'm still waiting for the correction. That is where you see the arrow down there, that we are looking for correction to come down before we go. Okay, so if you are in a buy, you can take your money, get the correction here. We break this one, we sell to this level, we get the correction, and we are going to this level. So keep this correction in mind, because the good buyers are also coming. AJ, also the same. It's making a correction already. It's almost done. Okay, AJ is done. So let's see what he does here. We have here, and we start going. All of them are making correction for continuation. So keep your eyes on the chart this week. Keep your eyes on the setups for this week. Aussie New Zealand, we had a very sweet buy, and it's also making correction. So we are always looking for the bias. Put your buy stop on top here and let this finish the downside. I don't really like to change this downside here because it's limited. If sometimes this is making head and shoulder here, okay, so we can get one more downside here to this level, back again, then this becomes a pattern. Then we have a move up. This is what it's gonna be, okay? That's very interesting. The next setup is Aussie dollar. Aussie dollar, I'm still looking for a buy. I'm not having made up my mind for a sell yet because I'm looking at how this is developing. I'm still looking for a buy. So like I said, we are trading based on a pattern. Right now, this is making stop loss hunters. You know, the brokers are doing their own thing. So we put our buy stop here. If it decides to go down, we are in. If it decides to go up, we are in from here. If it decides to go down, we are not in. We need to look at what this is doing at the moment. We put our buy stop here. If it's there, yeah, you are not in, even if it goes. But if it's down for you, we come here, we are going, you'll be tagged in to get this move coming, okay? So look for a buy on this. I personally will put a buy stop here. I personally is going to put a buy stop here for this week buy setup. Aussie 200, I will do the indices in different time. I will just go for this one. Bitcoin is still climbing up. I was expecting a correction here for downside because this was a pattern. So we came down, we're still climbing up. Can this come here up to here? Yes. So there is still a way, but you can look for buyers until we reach here. Then you take your money. You can look for buy stop here until we reach this level. Okay. So keep your buyers. If you are in the buy, you can keep looking for buyers. Eventually, somewhere is gonna correct again because, like I said to you last week, that it's making this type of pattern. And if this is expanding flat, somewhere here, we might drop. We might come here and drop. Okay, so keep your money down there. And then let's see. Card Chief is a buy. It's also a buy. So what do? We can wait for correction. We are waiting for correction. Like you see that the buy stops were there and everything is going exactly how it's been planted. If you look at the chart in the Telegram or the trading view, this chart was posted. So keep your eyes in the bias. Wait for correction. Any correction that we're gonna get here, we buy again because it's making an expanding flat here. We can get a little bit deeper pullback and then we go. So wait for the correction pullback and we go for the buy. The next one is Chief Yen. Chief Yen is selling. You can see from here that it's been driving down. So our sell order was here. If you look at it, we have a sell order here. So now we can make another move up here or a little bit correction here. Then we come down. This also becomes a classic correction. So wait for correction here. Let's see how far we can go. Wait for correction here to retest somewhere here again and then we sell. Okay, don't just sell now. It's gonna make a pullback and this becomes a pattern. Then we sell. Okay. Euro AUD, where we had the sell. We can see from the past that I have been telling people that sell. So this is doing a correction here back to this level and then we sell down here again. Then we're gonna look for the buy. Okay, this is going to be our pattern. So we are looking for this one to give us a correction. A little pullback, okay, to somewhere here. So you can put a sell limit here. If you can put a sell limit here. This price, okay, put a sell limit here. So when this gets here, we can have something like that. Then we will come back to this low. Yeah, we get this low, and then we get the biggest buy will come from here. So keep your eyes there, and then let's see how it goes. Yeah, this is how it's gonna be. This is the pattern that we are looking at. This is the pattern that I personally am be looking at here and here. Okay, this is one piece, impulse. This is your A, this is your B, and this is your C. This is a classic pattern. Okay, then like the same thing it did here. Sharp move here, A, B, and there we go. This is a different complex pattern here. It's a correction in the way of the upside. Contracting flat, some people call it. Okay, you go A, the C wave did not break the low and we went. Okay, so keep an eye on this buy, on this sell, sorry. I don't take the buy. I won't really be taking. If I want, I can find a buy stop here or buy here or take a buy here until I close it here and I'll sell. Okay, that is how it's gonna behave here at the moment. And then we go for Euro card. Euro card, I'm looking for buy, but it's not clear for me. So I will wait until I see a perfect pattern because we broke the trend as well. So I will wait. I was looking for buy, but for now, I will wait until I see a perfect pattern, what he's doing, before I'll do anything. So I will not touch it yet. Euro Chief is also, I'm looking for a buy. We took a buy. You can see that we had a bias in somewhere there. So let this finish the correction that he's doing. Let us do what he's doing here. Let the correction come down here, down back here, and then we are going. But don't use this buy stop here. Let it give us a clear setup because this is too low, too risk. If you're gonna buy now, wait for correction. We're gonna have a correction like this before we buy. Okay, so I would say wait, get the perfect pattern before you take a trade on that. Euro GBP, we'll be looking for a bias, okay? And this, I will show you this one in the daily, what he did here. This is what he did in the daily. He did this, he came down, he went up, and he dropped, and he went up. He came up, he came down. So this is done here. This is done here. So our buy is cooking somewhere here to go up. So keep your eyes on this setup coming. You can see that we have a very good move down. You have the good move down. We have the first mover. We have the first mover. We have the Ziggy wave here. We have the Ziggy wave here. And we are looking for this buy. This buy. Okay? So keep an eye on this. This is a very good trade. I'm gonna keep my eye on it this week against everything. The next trade is Euro Yen. On Euro Yen as well, we might expect it to reach somewhere here in the low. I mean, this is still downside. I'm looking for buyers, but it's not ready yet. I don't know where we are. Like, it's gonna be keeping to this level here, this price before we're gonna head up. So this is making a correction for one more move down. So we can keep our eyes here before anything here. Me personally, if the trade is not clear setup, I don't touch it. Euro New Zealand, we're gonna wait for the market to finish what he's doing. On the 4-hour chart, we have correction. On the 4-hour chart, we have correction to this level. So let's get the pullback. Let's get a pullback to give us now. This is first move. This is A. This is the B. This is the C. We're gonna get one more downside here. So we can have a sell limit here. When they tag you here, you are in the trade because you need to get the pattern perfect to go down. Okay, look at that exactly, and then let's take a ride for the buy. I'll be looking for the buy, but I will take this sell before the buy. I will take this trade. This Euro New Zealand and Euro GBP, it will be a trade that I'm really looking at it this week. Euro USD, Euro USD, on the weekly, there is a gap that this thing is trying to fill. And right now, I know that most of us were looking for the buyers from here. Okay, this gap is what he wants to fill first before. So I don't know if he's gonna do this and come down here, or he's gonna total finish up here and go. So we still have the room of liquidity. You can see from here, we might come up, make a little correction. If you're in the buy, wait for small correction, then you come out, because this is coming down as a sell until we finish here. So keep an eye and see what we can do. The next trade is Aussie Pound Oz. Pound Oz in the 4-hour time frame now. It's also a good sell cooking. Okay, we have a good sell cooking. So I'll be looking for sellers from here, because this is my A, this is the B. These are classic setups. So this week the pound pairs is looking a bit mixed up. So Pound Oz, I'll be looking for the sell of Pound Oz to this level. Okay, so keep your eyes on the sell. I will post this setup in the Telegram or TradingView. So try to follow us and see how it goes. Pound card as well. We took a sell on Thursdays and Fridays, and I had my sell from here. I closed it here. I had the first sell here. I had the break even. I have the second sell here. I closed it, and now I'm gonna sell again, because this is the setup. It's a sell, okay? It's a sell. So keep your eyes. You can have a sell limit here. Let me put it down for you. Sell limit price, so that even when you watch the YouTube, those YouTubers, those who are watching the videos on YouTube, when you reach here, pause it and look at the sell setup. Okay. Look at the sell setup, the sell price, sell limit price. Okay, yeah. Sell limit price should be something that we can sell limit price. So when you reach here, you pause it and you get the price that is on it, and then we keep it up. Okay, put a sell limit there for that. Pound Chief, so I'm also looking for sell. I have a sell limit here already placed there. Okay, in 60 minute time frame. I'm looking for my sell somewhere here to come down, because this is a very, very good potential sell setups that is coming on the pound pairs. There is very good sales coming. So keep your eyes on it, and then let's see how everything get there. Pound yen as well. We had this. You can see that it was posted. This buy setup was posted. We sold it from here, and we had this bias. So this one will come here, give us a running flat here, and we finish a sell limit. Take a sell limit here. Okay, nice one. So keep your, when you reach this section, pause it, then take your trade, and let's see. Pound New Zealand as well. Now this one will be the beginning of the sell. So you can take a sell as well. Sell limit is also there. You can see the pound pairs. I'm already weaponized, looking for opportunity. We can have this one here, this, like what it happened in the pound yen. Okay, we had this one and we had this. Look at the pound yen exactly. It's the same. Pound yen was the leading. You can see from here. I highlighted my background pair because people were complaining that they cannot see. So now you can see pound yen. We have the downside. This is exactly what is happening in the pound New Zealand. We are here now. So you're gonna have here, we come here, then we come down. Okay. So this is exactly what he's doing in the pound New Zealand. Here, you can see that it's exactly, we are there. So you're gonna have the fall of this one. You take your money, we come up here and we come. If you are wrong, it will be total downside. You're already in. Okay, you still don't lose no money. Keep your eyes there. GBP USD. I have been posting this bias from here. I was calling the bias. So now let's wait for pullback here and we go again. Pound dollar. So it's for some reason, I'm not sure if this can be a complete pattern where we get the pullback and this will be coming down because of the weakness. If not, both pound and US dollar will be weak. Then this will be crawling up until we get the sell limit here. So keep your eyes on it. I'm keeping an eye for the buy. So you can put your buy stop here. You can put your buy stops there, but I have a sell pending limit here. Okay. Okay. New Zealand natural gas. Natural gas, I was exactly what he did. We had a buy. Somebody messaged me privately asking me for natural gas, and I showed him exactly that it was here. You can see that I draw this, and we come here. We didn't reach here, but we had a buy, and from here we came down. Okay, so natural gas, we're still gonna trend down because I'm expecting a total downside for natural gas to this level first. Why do I say that? Because this is the pattern that I'm looking at. This becomes one piece. This is 1, 2, and 3. Okay, this becomes that we came down, we retested, and it's gonna be mixed reaction here before we go the buy. So keep your eyes in natural gas. If you trade that New Zealand card, it's still a sell. Get the pullback and sell. We are selling until we reach the bottom here. It's a very good long-term sell. Okay, so we're gonna break the low. Way to break this low, make a correction. You see, when you break the low, you made the correction, and then we start coming down. So we're gonna break the low, make a correction again, then we come down. Okay, exactly. You break it, you break this low, we make a correction, we came down. We break the low, we make a correction, we came down. We break the low, make a correction, we come down. Okay, so we are trending. So any pullback you're gonna get after the break low, you take a sell again. Okay. If you want the actual setup, follow the trading view and then the Telegram channel, FIB 886, Isaac Magic Trading Group. You can get me there. Trading community. Okay, this one, New Zealand Chief as well, is making a correction here. We can get this one and we buy. Okay, this is the move ABC. We go. Can this be a correction for one more downside? For this section, there we go. Yes, it can. But we are only looking for buy. If it's gonna come down here, we are not in, but our buyers are here because we are looking for the big move up. We are looking for the main move up. Okay, you can see New Zealand yen, the same. We're gonna get, I've seen this pattern in New Zealand, one of the New Zealand pairs, New Zealand card, I think, is exactly what he did. Okay, so we come back to fill this gap and then we're gonna fall down. And this also becomes a pattern here. Impulse, correction, correction, downside. Okay, so you can see that everything is classic. We are picking the key patterns and everything. Let me put the lines there for you to see how he's gonna behave. Okay, this is something interesting. New Zealand dollar, we are still looking for the downside. It's still a sell. Okay, so we keep looking for the sell before it's still a sell until it reach the low. So keep your eyes on that for a long-term downside. When you reach this low, we will make a decision here. If it's gonna be a buy, we just need to first finish here before we look for a buy. For now, it's a sell. Put your sell stop here. Let's take this profit. Okay. What else again? S&P. I'm gonna make a video for the indices and index. The S&P, the silver, the gold, and DJI and Apple, Amazon. I'm gonna make just a oil and those. I'll make a video about them by themselves. Okay, so USD card. USD card. This is 1 hour correction that I'm looking for. USD card. I'm looking for correction. So we are selling the USD card here. We are selling the USD card here. Here. We are selling it. So I have a sell limit here. And this is my sell I'm looking for, okay? So keep your eyes on the USD card for sell. Let's get the correction finished and then we sell, okay? USD Chief, it's a buy, but wait for correction to come down. Let's wait for pullback. And there we go. This will be a correction you are looking for. Okay, this doesn't do, sometimes it gives a deeper correction. Look at here, he gave us. So I won't be surprised if he gives me a deeper correction before he goes. But other than that, you're gonna wait for correction. Then you're gonna get him a buy. Okay. So keep your eyes there. UJ, we are looking for sell. The same as USD CAD. Let's get a correction up, a little bit move up. Sell limit. You can see that is there. You can see the sell limit. And then we're coming down. Keep your eyes on the sell. This thing has a tendency of sudden death. It will drop straight away. Look at what he did here. He spent almost 2 weeks. People gave up. Then we have this. The same thing he's doing here. People will give up and then it will start dropping. Okay? Look at here. This is what happened here. This is what happened here. So let's keep an eye there. USD Mexican, not yet. USDs are my trade that I'm in. I'm personally in this trade already. So we'll be looking for this one to drop down here now. Give us a pattern here. We come down here, drop. It's a slow, but it's gonna drop. It's dropping slowly. So let's see what happened here. I don't think it will do this before downside. If it does this, fine. At least you're gonna get the sell again. But if it does this, because this is a middle of nothing, but for me now, I'm anticipating something for downside now. It's gonna come down here, pull back again and drop. So I'm really looking at what he's doing here. Then I'll let you know. Okay, oil. Okay, let me touch oil. Oil is still a buy, okay? We are looking for the oil buy. So wait for pullback for the oil. Let's get a pullback here and then we buy. Wait for pullback oil and then we buy. We have silver and gold. Okay, let's look at gold a bit. I want to do this in different time. Okay, gold is a bit also funny. Maybe let's do 1, 2, 3, and then we come down here before we go. Something like that. He's doing this kind of. I was expecting gold to come down here first. That was where I was expecting, but it keep flying me up here. This is Australian gold. Sorry, this is no US gold. It's Australian gold. Okay, gold itself is here, and the gold is spinning up here. I was expecting gold to come down here before it goes down, but it didn't give me. So I'll be looking for gold is heading here. The sell will start from here. Just a sharp move, 1, 2, 3, another sell here before we go. Okay, this is what he's doing. So keep your eyes on it. Keep your eyes on the sell. Keep your eyes on the selling gold. Okay. What else? We the rest, anything else, when it comes to the coins and others, direct message me and then let's see how it play. I will update the charts for those who are following me in the Telegram and the trading view. Okay, keep your eyes in these two sections, and we're gonna look for a gold sell. Gold sell will be coming from somewhere around here. Yeah, we are almost there. So when you reach here, wait for first impulse. Then this becomes a complete pattern. You break the top, we come down here. Okay, this is an impulse correction. One here, and we are done. Then we are coming down for the downside here. If we are wrong, this could even be the main downside for this. This is the first one. Correction. You have a sharp one. If you have a correction, we are coming back down here. Here we will see what he does again. Okay, so let's keep an eye on this one. And then if there is anything, we have the Facebook, we have the Isaac Magic Facebook as well. You can follow us. We are in the Trading View, we are in the Slack, we are in YouTube, as you can see. So those who are not in the Trading View, you can follow me on Trading View. You can follow me on Trading View. We have a bunch of setup being posted here. So keep your eyes there. If you want to follow us in the Facebook, the same FIB886 Isaac 886 or FIB886 in Facebook, Twitter, we are there. Any question, direct message me and then I'll get back to you. Okay. Have a wonderful weekend, and then share my chat, like it, subscribe it, and then message me when you have any questions. Soon, I'm gonna invite people to come direct with me with the Zoom, but we are still working to complete the website. Until then, I'm gonna update you guys. So follow me for an update. As soon as the website is ready, we're gonna have live room with everybody to join us in trading.